What's up, YouTube? Want to make a little update video. Gonna have a new build in progress soon. Gonna give you guys a little unboxing of the subs and maybe let you in a little secret of what else is going on with it. Let's check it out. Alright guys, time to show you all a little peek inside. We have the Bonce DB SA2715. I have 4 of them going in my build. They're dual ones. Going to be wired at half ohm. Going on a Sundown SA2715. More than likely going to do a 6th order wall. May end up doing a flat wall, but part's kind of set on the 6th order. Look at that pretty motherfucker right there. Next, I'm going to set the camera down, try to get an angle, and we'll get it out. Try to get in here so you can see. Alright guys, so now that you've checked out what the subs look like, I'm going to give you more of an update. So this used to be my mids and high amp. So I have Phonics Brutus BRX 640.4. That's now coming out of the vehicle. And to replace it, we have a Sundown 50.4. It's already in the vehicle now with the current temporary mids and highs. But we got a little bit more to show you. Still got a few packages on the way, scheduled to be here early next week. Let's show you what's in this mystery Sundown SA box. It says it says Sundown SA, but really we have a few of the new mids and highs that are going to go in the car. Let's say we pull a couple of these out and take a look. Right, so here we got a pair of Crescendo FT1 Super Tweeters. We got the black color. Gonna do one of these in each of the front A-pillars. It's a good size tweet. Little size comparison. It's a beefy fucking tweeter. To go along with those, I have some of these CDT technologies, 6.5s. One's component, one's coax. And then I have some Crescendo PWX 10s. I'm gonna do one per door. So there will be a 10, a 6.5, a 6.5, a tweeter in the door, and then a Crescendo FT1 in the A-pillar. So we'll have 3 mid-bass, 2 tweets each door, and then a tweet per A-pillar. Alright guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed the little update video. I also have a limitless 45 amp hour battery coming on the way. It should be here, today's Sunday, it should be here Monday, Tuesday. So really, for me, you know, it's my first big build. You know, 415s and a wall. You know, the biggest build I had previously was 4 SA12s, no wall. I was doing a 52 sealed, 54 and a kick. For this new build, I'm shooting for 155 sealed. We'll see what these woofers do. They're 1700 watts a piece. I like the stand basket, to be honest. I wasn't really sure how I felt about it, but it's a really nice basket. It's more of a 2-piece stamp, and it's got the nice curves in the bottom of each basket spoke, which has a lot of strength. So I'm anxious to see what they do. I've seen a couple videos online, preliminary testing, free air. I believe they did about 8 minutes of free air at 2200 watts RMS before any fault. So, you know, free air is pretty hard on the woofers, and you're giving it way more than rated. So, again, it'll be on a Sundown 7500 at half ohm, 415, 6-order wall. Gonna start the build here in the next couple weeks. I have to get the last few things together. I have some speaker wire on the way as well. Also need to grab some more power wire. Have a little bit longer runs. Probably add another run to have 3 positive, 3 ground, running from front to back. So I will definitely add more videos as the build process goes along, and step by step kind of what we're doing to get loud, and we'll see what she does. But today, Team Retribution.